Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Rush Tank Tiny VTX. So it has an input voltage of 5 volts, pit mode 25, 100, and 200 milliwatts power. It has a UFL connector, TBS smart audio, and 48 channels. Let's open it. So we have some stickers, some silicone wires, a dipole with a UFL connector, and the VTX itself. So there's a shrink tube here, and the Rush Tank Tiny, or Rush Tiny Tank. It's quite small. Let's measure it. So it's like 16.5 by 12.5. Let's compare it to the Runcam TX100. This is 14 by 14. Let's weigh it. So it's 1.4 grams. With the antenna, it's 2 grams. And the Runcam TX100 is 1.5 grams. So let's take a closer look. So we have pads here and here, more on these later. We have a UFL connector here, LEDs here, and a button here for changing the band, channels, and power levels. So with so many bands, channels, and power levels, it's a little bit complicated to use this button, so it would be better to use smart audio. On the other side, we have here the metal shield, which should prevent radio interference, but will add a little bit of weight. So we have ground, 5 volts, and camera, video in. And then we have switch, an external switch, 5 volts, ground, data or smart audio, camera or video in, and VTX or video out. So this should allow for some interesting wiring combinations. So here's a diagram of the wiring combinations. It's very flexible and you're free to do what suits your build. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Rush Tiny Tank. It is not as small nor as light as the Runcam TX100 Nano, but it is more powerful. So I'd probably be using this for bigger whoops or even micros. Thank you for watching.